Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're just going to show you how we took a curly willow branch and turned it into a curly willow tree for our yard. These cuttings came out of a floral arrangement we got in February. When there were no blooms left in the bouquet, we took the branch and put it in a vase of water. You'll want to change the water every couple of days and you'll start seeing new growth. Until eventually it was about a month or so later and it was ready to put in a pot. It was a little too cold to put it out, but once it warmed up, it went outside. It did get sick, so then we cut the branches. But it soon bounced back and it went on the deck when it felt better. And this is what everything looks like today. The curly willow branch has grown tremendously in such a short amount of time, and everything also looks like it's grown nicely since. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.